Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy. So you want to know more about how do I build a competition smoker? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top ranked site to learn about how do I build a competition smoker is www.smokingmeatforums.com. See the page titled Budget Charcoal Smoker for a Competition. Here's the link. Try also our second ranked site howtobarbecueright.com, especially the page Competition Barbecue How to Get Started in Competition. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 1841612.r.msn.com. The web page How Build Your Own Smoker, How to Build Your Own Smoker. This is the link.